Now the Lokayukta is under the gaze of the officers, bureaucrats, as how they are going to deal with this case. Because here is a justice who is being held as a Lokayukta. Upa-Lokayukta is also justice, and there the persons who are involved in this case are the judges. If they are going to tackle this issue, leaving apart their brotherhood case, to upkeep the law, the legislature law, the commissions made in the layout, was a strong signal for the bureaucrats, for the legislature, and there will be definitely a debate of a positive kind in the legislature, possibly this budget session. If it is reopened, we will apply. That coming to the kind of I do not know whether you have read 80 Ramaswamy debates, which is enclosed for you, sir. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮೀರಿ ದಾಟಿ ಕೆಲವು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳು ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 80 Ramaswamy. The whole legislature, Mr. Ramesh Kumar, many more have spoken upon this. ಈಗ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ನೌಕರರ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ನೌಕರರ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವವರು ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ನೌಕರರು, ಗುಮಾಸ್ತರು, ನೌಕರರಿಗೆ ಗುಮಾಸ್ತರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ನೌಕರ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲದಿರುವವರೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯವರು ಮಾರ್ವಾಡಿಗಳು ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್ ಇವನ್ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಎಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಗಂಭೀರವಾದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಈಗ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರೇನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗದ ನೌಕರರಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಳಪಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿಯತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಿಯೋಜಿತ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಇವರು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನೌಕರರಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ನೌಕರ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಹರಲ್ಲ. ಈಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ನೌಕರ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಸುಮಾರು 586 ಜನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳು, from Chief Justice of India, M.A. Bhattacharya, yes, Ajay Kumar, most of the judges who sat there, so they are not. So, ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 95ರಲ್ಲಿ they have taken one judgment. 28 sitting judges were respondents. The PDA did not file an affidavit because they gave the whole records to the Justice Bhaktavatsala and Saldana who were hearing that case. Those were the two judges who were remaining, as the rest were all the respondents. I wish not to say that the judgment was being drafted because it's all rumor. The fact is that the record that layout is approved by PDA in 95 judgment. Sir. But the Advocate General did not wish to give in written submission because the judges are not. Possibly was directed by the Chief Minister. Now, 95 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೆದು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಹರಲ್ಲ. There was one point of mention. It's beyond stretch of imagination that judges can be treated as an employee. So it is they are ineligible to be members of that society. Was that underlying only one bit of substance that with their own consciousness they will forego their size. And that was a kind of silent observation in that judgment, ILR 1995, KR 3139. ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಹರಲ್ಲ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. They did not resign for that membership. They did not relinquish the sign. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ 586 ಜನ ಆ ಸಂಘದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೈಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಸದನದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸದನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸದನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್ is communicating to the High Court, to the Lokayukta of those officers who are not of the organizing government departments. ತಿಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ತೀರ್ಪಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಘದ ಸದಸ್ಯತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಬೇಕು ಬೇಡವೋ ಎನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿವೇಚನೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರ ಆತ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅವರು ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಡವೇ ಎಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶಗಳು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನದಂತೆ ಅವರೇ ನಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದರೆ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಈ ನೆಲದ ಕಾನೂನು ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜಾರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಗೌರವ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ annexure J is there? Annexure J, under which advocate issues notice to the government departments, Secretary to Government Department of Urban Development, Secretary to Revenue Department, Secretary to Cooperation, Commissioner of BDA, Director Town Planning, and so Registrar of Cooperative Society in Karnataka. What it says, sir? Now Reddy said, Justice Reddy is saying, we are not going to take up this 37 acres, which is illegally they have formed the sites. We illegally, without the ownership of the land, which is they are entitled to purchase the land, the housing society. The advocate issues notice on behalf of the site owners. Subsequently, the land acquisition officer appointed for the purpose of acquiring the lands had passed an award in respect of 156 acres, 1 guntas. On completion of acquisition proceedings, the acquired lands measuring in all 156 acres guntas were handed over to society by SLO Bangalore. The planning authority BDA has blindly approved the layout plan without verifying the actual extent of the lands acquired in favor of the society for the formation of the layout, which is a part of this one. It is the duty of the government and the BDA to preserve and protect the parks and CS sites in the layout. Parks and CS sites are absolutely essential for the beneficial and enjoyment of the residents of the layout. This part, the CS site, the layout is not approved, means that how the BDA allowed that layout to come up, the buildings.
Yes.
Sir, the matter was before E.T. Ramasamy. He said yes, if the judges layout were not be there or if it were to be demolished by Lokayukt in 99, such extent of land grabbing would not have been there, and rather my constituting my committee itself would not, that question would not have arisen. Now this has become a model for the land grabbers, law violators, law perpetrators. High Court does now. You asked me a question, sir. It does not come under Lokayukt. The kind of respect, the kind of fear they have of the Lokayukta, they do not have of the High Court. The moment anybody's name appears under the Lokayukta, for until that day, until they witness and go, they will not be sleeping. This is the psychology of the working of the officers. Now, because the Justice Reddy is dealing, since 5 years, no progress is made. The way the progress was made by Lokayukta in this case. And there are limitations under your Lokayukta Act. We have varied.
Not over judges, not over High Court. We have only jurisdiction over public servants.
Yeah, also, I am taking public servants only. Now here, he has made this part. Now what it says further is a memo on behalf